We are continuing with sequence series, and today's topic is sum to infinite GP. Sum to infinite GP, that means A plus AR plus AR square up to infinity. This is equal to sum to infinity. This exists only if value of R 1 minus R, where modulus of R less than 1 or the value of lies between minus 1 and 1. Proof of this one, proof of this we have already done in previous lecture. Now we are just going to start the questions, the problem based on this one, sum to infinity. The first question, the basics, very basics, is question number first. It is not a part of our booklet. It is 32 into 32 the power 1 by 6, 32 the power 1 by 36. It goes up to infinity. Then is option has been given out: A 16, B 64, option C 32, and option D 0. Now this has been the answer. Say this has been the four options. Now we started 32 the power 1, 32. Now directly I can write down it is 32 the power 1 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 36 up to infinity. Because bases are same, power must be added. It becomes 32. It becomes in infinity 1 minus 1 over 6. ये क्या बन जाएगा? सम टू इन्फिनिटी बन जाएगा. एंड वी डू राइट डाउन 32. 32 the power 1 upon 5 by 6. 1 upon 1 minus r. It is r is here 1 by 6. This is equal to 32 the power. It comes out to be 6 by 5. It can be written as what? It can be written as 2 the power 5 the power 6 by 5. This 5 and 5, 2 the power 6, it comes out to be 64. So the right option is B part. Next problem, sum to infinity is it is 1 plus a into x, 1 plus a square into x square, plus 1 plus a square plus a cube into x cube up to infinity. This is A option has been given out. A option is it is 1 upon 1 minus x into 1 minus a. B option is 1 minus x into 1 minus ax. Now we have C option. It is 1 minus a into 1 minus ax. And the D option is 1 upon 1 minus x. Then it comes out to be, here we find out. सी क्लियरली पहले तो ये पता नहीं लगता ये सीरीज ज्योमेट्रिकल प्रोग्रेशन में है, जीपी में है. उसके लिए क्या वे आउट है? सिमिलरली एक क्वेश्चन हमने सम टू एन टर्म्स ऑफ जीपी लास्ट लेक्चर में किया था. क्या करेंगे इसमें? हम करेंगे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय, मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस ए. 1 माइनस ए से शुरू कर देंगे. 1 कीपिंग 1 माइनस ए आउटसाइड, इट बिकम्स 1 माइनस ए. 1 minus a square into x. This becomes 1 minus a cube into x square. This becomes 1 minus a cube. This becomes a4 into x cube. It goes up to infinity. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We simplify the terms 1 minus a. It becomes x minus a square x plus x square minus a cube x square up to infinity. नाउ हर एक टर्म में दोनों टर्म्स हैं. पहली टर्म सेपरेट कर लेंगे. लाइक 1 प्लस पहली टर्म फर्स्ट टर्म 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर अप टू इन्फिनिटी एक ब्रैकेट में माइनस कॉमन. देन सेकेंड टर्म सम ऑफ सेकेंड एंड सेकेंड. इट इज a प्लस a स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस a क्यूब एक्स स्क्वायर अप टू इन्फिनिटी. ये अप टू इन्फिनिटी बन गया. नाउ इट बिकम्स अ जीपी एंड इट आल्सो बिकम्स अ जीपी. Here common ratio is what? X, and here common ratio is AX. So we apply this formula separately. 1 upon 1 minus x minus a. Here the common first term is a. A upon 1 minus ax. Now looking upon the four options, इसका मतलब क्या हमें सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ेगा. सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करेंगे? टेकिंग आउट एलसीएम. 1 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 माइनस ए एक्स. नाउ यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा? 1 माइनस ए एक्स, यहाँ पे आएगा माइनस ए प्लस ए एक्स. That means this ax will be cancelled out. We are left with what? 1 minus a, 1 minus a into 1 minus x into 1 minus ax. That means this will be cancelled out. We are left with the right answer is B part. Very simple. Once again, do you understand it? इस टाइप की सीक्वेंस आ रही हो, हम क्या करेंगे? एकदम हम यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड बाय 1 माइनस ए. इट बिकम्स व्हाट? It becomes 1 minus a square, ये बन जाएगा 1 minus a cube, it becomes 1 minus a4. Now ये x से multiply, here x square से, here x cube से. Now taking out first term of every bracket, then minus second term of every bracket, it becomes the GP, sum to infinity. It also becomes sum to infinity. Now applying the formula sum to infinity here and here also. Taking LCM, we reaches up to, it is the right option is B part. Now another option, another question. The next question is, it is x is equal to 1 plus a square up to infinity. We have been given, it is y is equal to 1 plus b square up to infinity. It has been given, and then z is equal to 1 plus ab plus a square b square up to infinity. Then the relation we have been given out, it is, that has been, it is a z is equal to xy upon x plus y plus 1. B option is z is equal to xy over x plus y minus 1. C option, it is y xz upon x plus z plus 1 is equal to y. And D option is none of these. And D option is none of these. Now x is equal to what? X is equal to 1 upon 1 minus a, and it becomes sum to infinity over here, this formula. यहाँ पे क्या बन जाएगा? It becomes y is equal to 1 minus 1 over b, and z is equal to 1 upon 1 minus ab. It is x minus ax is equal to 1, and it becomes x minus 1 is equal to ax, x minus x is equal to a. Now y minus by is equal to 1, y minus 1 is by, y minus 1 upon y is equal to b. Basically मैं करने क्या जा रहा हूँ? I am going to relate all these three. This is one, this is second, this is third. इनको आपस में रिलेट कैसे करना है? मैंने सोचा यहाँ से मैं a की वैल्यू निकाल लेता हूँ, यहाँ से b की वैल्यू निकाल के I substitute in z. This is the best way of say combining all these. It is put a and b here. I do write down put x and y, put a and b over here, put a and b here. We got z is equal to 1 minus a की वैल्यू कितनी आएगी? x minus 1 over x, b की वैल्यू आएगी y minus 1 over y. Now I take the LCM and this denominator term ऊपर चली जाएगी. It becomes xy upon xy minus xy plus x plus y minus 1. This will be cancelled out, and z is equal to what? Xy upon x plus y minus 1. Now we can say which is the right answer. It is, this is not the right answer. Z is equal to xy upon, it is, I'll say B part is the right option. Now I'm just coming to the question of our booklet. These are some simple questions, the use of this sum to infinity. Now we are going to do some good questions of our booklet, that are, I'm going to start it. It is, this is question number 6. Question number 6 of our booklet is, it is, we have been given the sum of infinite, the sum of the sum of infinite terms, the sum of infinite terms of decreasing GP, of decreasing GP, the sum of infinite terms of decreasing GP is equal to greatest value, is equal to greatest value of fx is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 9. In interval it is minus 2 comma 3 close interval, and second thing the given है हमें the difference between first two terms, the difference between first two terms is f dash 0. This is another condition we have been given out. Then we have to find out common ratio. Common ratio is equal to what? It has been given out 4 option. It is A minus 2 by 3, B 4 by 3, C option is 2 by 3, and a D option is minus 4 by 3. See, we have been given the sum of infinite terms of decreasing GP. हम डिक्रीजिंग जीपी में क्या ले रहे हैं? इट इज जीपी इज ए प्लस ए आर स्क्वायर प्लस अप टू इंफिनिटी. देन this is sum to infinity we have been given is equal to greatest value of fx, that is it is equal to a upon 1 minus r is equal to greatest value. अब क्वेश्चन अराइज होता है, ये फंक्शन है, इसकी ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे? दिस इज ए क्यूबिक. हम ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू के लिए we use a concept of our plus 2 class, that is maxima and minima. उसमें हम क्या करते हैं? We know that for maxima or minima applicate for f dash x must be equal to 0. So we find out f dash x. F dash x is equal to 3x square plus 3. It is 3 x square plus 1. See, यहां से क्या कंक्लूजन हम निकाल रहे हैं? हमारा f dash x पॉजिटिव आ रहा है, इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? It is, इसका मतलब fx is increasing function. F dash x is positive, this is greater than 0, तो fx is increasing function. This is increasing function. Now, यदि f dash x को 0 के equal put करेंगे, we are not going to get any real value. So we have to check it in interval minus 2 to 3. अब हम मेरे को पता है it is an increasing function और this is in an interval, it is in minus 2 comma 3. इंक्रीजिंग कर रहा है, इसका मतलब f3 पे क्या होगी? f3 पे f3 must be maxima. f3 must be maxima. That means f3 की वैल्यू क्या आएगी? It comes out to be 3 cube plus 3 into 3 minus 9, or I got it 27. So maximum value I got it, it is f3 is equal to 27. I substitute over here, it is a upon 1 minus r is equal to 27. Next thing मेरे को given है, difference between the first two terms is f dash 0. अब which is the first, which is the greatest? हमें दे रखा है decreasing GP. Clearly means it is a minus ar, means a will be greater than this ar. A minus ar is equal to f dash 0. Now a common, it is 1 minus r. What is f dash 0? F dash x हमने ये निकाला, x की जगह 0 पुट कर देंगे, we got it what? It is 3. 3 into 0 plus 3, we got it what? 3. It is a into 1 minus r is equal to 3. What we wanted? We wanted common ratio. We can do one thing, it is we can divide this thing, it is this is 1, this is 2. On dividing 1 by 2, we got it what? It is a upon 1 minus r upon a into 1 minus r, that is 27 by 3, we got it 9. It is a upon 1 minus r into 1 upon a into 1 minus r, this is 9. This will be a will be cancelled out. We are going to get it here what? हम यहाँ पे आ रहा है, it is 1 minus r, it is 1 minus r the whole square is equal to 1 over 9. Now it is, this is equal to, I can write down, it is 1 plus r square minus 2r is equal to 1 over 9. I got it 9 plus 9r square minus 18r is equal to 1. 9r square, I got it 9r square minus 18r plus 8 is equal to 0. It comes out to be, we can find out if we can find out here also, we can make the quadratic also. See, once again I am going to start it. See, कहाँ से स्टार्ट करने जा रहा हूँ, द सम ऑफ इनफाइनाइट टर्म्स ऑफ डिक्रीजिंग जीपी इज इक्वल टू ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू. सो क्या करेंगे, पहले हम वी हैव टेकन द सम टू इन्फिनिटी इज दिस वन. हमें गिवन है इट सम टू इन्फिनिटी इज ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू. ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू में हम क्या करेंगे, f3 वी फाइंड आउट. ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू के लिए हमने क्या फाइंड आउट किया, f डैश एक्स. f डैश एक्स वी फाइंड आउट इट इज एन इंक्रीजिंग फंक्शन. सो 3 पे क्या होगा मैक्सिमा और -2 पे क्या होगा मिनिमा. वी नीडेड मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, सो वी फाइंड आउट f3. इसको हमने कम कर दिया इक्वेट इसके ऊपर. नाउ इट इज एन डिक्रीजिंग जीपी, तो a माइनस ए आर मस्ट बी इक्वल टू f डैश 0 दैट इज इक्वल टू 3. नाउ हमने r की वैल्यू निकालनी थी सिर्फ, तो इसको क्या किया, डिवाइड कर दिया. I got it 1 minus r the whole square is equal to 1/9. Now we can make the factors. We can make the factors or we can do it again. कैसे, इसको इससे लेंथी हो जाएगा. We have to make the factors. We can say this thing. I can say 1 minus r is equal to plus minus 1/3. Simply because x square is equal to a square, x is equal to plus minus a. 1 minus 1/3 is equal to r, and it is 1 plus 1/3 is equal to r. इट इज आर की वैल्यू कितनी आ जाएगी, 3 माइनस इट इज आर कम्स आउट टू बी व्हाट 2/3. एक आर की वैल्यू आ रही है, इट कम्स आउट टू बी 4/3. नाउ वी हैव टू सी दैट विच वैल्यू सेटिस्फाइड. क्वेश्चन राइज होता है कि आर इज इक्वल टू 4/3 पॉसिबल होता है, नो, because we know that sum to infinity is its modulus r always lies between -1 and 1. So r is equal to 4/3 rejected. So the answer we have been left out, it is r is equal to 2/3. So right option is this one, C part is 2/3. Now the next problem of sum to infinity of our booklet is, it is now we reaches up to directly question number, we reaches up to question number 51. Question number 51 we have been given this was जो क्वेश्चन अभी हमने किया, इट वाज क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. जो अब हमने क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. सो जो अब हम क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 51. हमें गिवन है द सम ऑफ इनफाइनाइट जीपी, इट इज सम टू इन्फिनिटी इज गिवन एज टू sum of gp made from cubes. That means we have been given a cube plus a cube r cube plus it is a r square the whole power, it comes out to be cube like this way. Sum to infinity is cubing of this one is given as 24, and then a and r full stop, then a and r are first term and common ratio r. We have been given the a option, that is 2 comma 1/3, b option 3 comma minus half, c option is 4 comma half, and d option is none of these. Now the sum of infinite gp, we apply the formula a upon 1 minus r is equal to 2. The sum of the cube, that is a cube upon 1 minus r cube is equal to what, 24. Now क्या करेंगे सॉल्व करने के लिए, it is on cubing. On cubing we got it a cube upon 1 minus r the whole cube is equal to 8. Here we got it a cube upon 1 minus r cube is equal to 24. Now this is 1, this is 2. Dividing 2 by 1. Dividing 2 by 1 क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास, it is a cube upon 1 minus r cube into 1 minus r the whole cube upon a cube is equal to 24 upon 8. This a cube will be cancelled out. 1 minus r into 1 minus r the whole square upon 1 minus r into 1 plus r square plus r. This is 3. This will be cancelled out. Now it is here. We can write down 1 plus r square minus 2r. This is equal to 3 plus 3r square plus 3r. Now it comes out to be 2r square minus 5r plus 2 is equal to 0. The values of R are 2 and 1 by 2. The values of R are 2 and 1 by 2. दो वैल्यूज आ गई हमारे पास R की. अब दोनों वैल्यूज हमने चेकआउट करनी है कि कौन सी सेटिस्फाई करती है. See, it is 4R square minus, say, this thing. Now R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2, say, we find out A. A upon 1 minus 2 is equal to 2. A is equal to what? It is minus 2. A comes out to be minus 2. Then it comes out to be, if R is 2, see, however, we just check it out, A and R. See, R is either given as 1 by 2 or A is given as R is 2. वैसे भी R is equal to 2 not possible, because यहाँ पे common ratio क्या होनी चाहिए? R should be what? Lies between minus 1 and 1. So R is equal to 2. R is equal to 2 is rejected. Now we have been left out R is equal to half. R is equal to half करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा? We find out A. It is A into 1 minus half. It comes out to be 2. A is equal to 4. We again check it out once again. It is A upon 1 minus R is 2. A cube upon 1 minus R cube is 24. Now A cube upon 1 minus R cube is 8. A cube upon 1 minus R cube is 24. Now it is simply dividing 2 by 1. I got it 1 plus R square minus 2R. It is 1 plus R square minus 2R, and here it is 1 minus R, 1 plus R square plus R. Cross multiply. Cross multiplying, we got it what? It is, we got it, it is 3R square minus 2R square minus 5R plus 2. R is equal to 2 and 1 by 2. R is equal to 2 rejected. So we say, we reject, rub this part. R is equal to 2 rejected. R only possibility is half, and A comes out to be 4. The right option, it comes out to be C part. The next question of our booklet is, it is question number 50. Question number 58, we have been given, it is one relation, it is 8 the power, we have been given, it is S. S is subset or belongs to minus pi to pi, and we have been given 8 the power 1 plus modulus of cos x plus cos square x plus cos cube x, again modulus, it goes up to infinity, it is 4 the power cube. Here what will say, जो पावर में बन रही है वो जीपी बन रही है, जिसमें फर्स्ट टर्म है 1 and common ratio is modulus of x. So 8 the power 1 minus r, this is equal to 1 minus r, that means modulus of cos x is equal to 4 the power cube. Now solve करने के लिए हमें सब बेसिक सेम बनाना पड़ेगा, तो मैं क्या करता हूँ, I can write down, it is, this is 8, it is 2 the cube. 2 the cube 1 upon 1 minus cos x modulus. This is 2 square the power 3. This is 2 the power 3 upon 1 minus modulus cos x. This is equal to 2 the power 6. Now bases are same, power must be equal. 3 upon 1 minus modulus of cos x is equal to 6. I reaches over here, this is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus modulus of cos x. Modulus of cos x is equal to 1 minus half. Now cos x की कौन-कौन सी values आ रही हैं? It is plus minus half. Because we know that modulus x is equal to a, x is equal to plus minus a. Cos x is equal to half, cos x is equal to minus half. Cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. X is equal to pi by 3. Cos x is equal to minus cos pi by 3. It is cos x is equal to cos pi minus pi by 3. Or I will say cos x is equal to cos 2 pi by 3. So x is equal to what? Pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. The right option, it comes out to be D part. We have been given 4 options, that is A option is, it is pi by 3 only. No, this is not a right answer. B, it is pi by 3 comma minus 2 pi by 3. No, it's not minus pi by 2 by 3. C, minus pi by 3. No, minus pi by 3 भी नहीं है. And the D option is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. We'll say this is the right option. So we'll say D is the correct answer. Now we are coming to next part of sum to infinity. That is, now the next problem of sum to infinity is, it is, see, more or less we have done the all questions of this sum to infinity, but one important fact about the sum of infinity, एक स्पेशल टेक्निक होती है, एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आ जाते हैं, जैसे जैसे हमें कहा जाता है कि फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 0.423, इट इज 423 के ऊपर बार, या वी पुट इट डॉट डाल देते हैं 2 और 3 के बीच। इसका मीनिंग क्या है? इसका मीनिंग है 0.423 2323 अप टू इंफिनिटी। द एक्चुअल मेथड सेज वी ऑलवेज अप्लाई इट लाइक दिस वे, 0.4 प्लस 0.023 प्लस 0.00023 up to infinity like this way. So we can say 4 upon 10 plus, it is 23 upon 10 d cube, 23 upon 10 d power 5, it goes 23 upon 10 d raised power 7 up to infinity. Now it becomes a GP from here, sum to infinity वाला फार्मूला यहाँ पर अप्लाई करेंगे, 4 by 10 plus 23 upon 10 cube 1 minus 10 square, this is equal to 4 by 10 plus 23 upon 10 cube into 100 upon, it is 99. We reaches here 4 by 10 plus 23 upon 990. Now we just come over here, it is, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? It comes out to be here, I'll start it from here. The LCM will be what? 4 into 99. 4 into 99, that means 9 4 are 36, 396. It becomes 396 plus 23 upon 990. We got it what? We got it, it is, we got it, it is 419. We got 419 upon 990. This is our answer. So I'm going to rub whole solution. I'm not going to rub this answer. See, because there is a special shortcut technique for these types of questions. We got this answer. I got this answer from other method also. उसके लिए क्या मेथड है? उसके लिए मेथड है, जस्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड इट, इट इज शॉर्टकट। द शॉर्टकट इज वेरी सिंपल, 0.423 बार दिया हुआ है, इसको हम लिखेंगे 0.423 माइनस 4। इसका शॉर्टकट होता है पॉइंट के बाद जो भी नंबर दे रखा हो और वो वाला डिजिट माइनस कर देना है जिसके ऊपर बार नहीं लगा हुआ, और जितने नंबर, इट इज पॉइंट विल रिमूव इट, दिस नंबर माइनस जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार है वो माइनस कर देंगे, और जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार है उतने 9 आ जाएंगे, और जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार नहीं है उतने कितने आएंगे? 0 आ जाएंगे। दैट इज 419 अपॉन 990। इट कम्स आउट टू बी, कोई भी ऐसा ले लेते हैं, इट इज 0.513, इट इज सपोज तीनों के ऊपर बार है, तो आई विल से इट इज 513 माइनस 0। इसके पहले कोई टर्म नहीं है, तो देयर आर से नो जीरोस। क्यों? बिकॉज इसके ऊपर कोई भी ऐसा नंबर नहीं है जिसके ऊपर बार ना हो, तो 3 नंबरों के ऊपर बार है, 3 क्या आ जाएंगे? 9। ऐसे आई जस्ट टेक इट, another thing is, it is 2417, I take it number bar on 2 numbers. इसको करेंगे, इसका शॉर्टकट क्या बनेगा? इसका शॉर्टकट बनेगा 2417 माइनस 2417 माइनस 24 अपॉन जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार है उतने 99 आ जाएंगे, जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार नहीं है उतने कितने आ जाएंगे? 0। तो 9900 वी कैन सब्ट्रैक्ट इट, वी कैन गेट द राइटफुल आंसर। सेम वे सपोज हमें कोई क्वेश्चन आता है, इट इज 2.32 से 13, दिस इज नंबर, और हमें जो नंबर दिया जाता है इट कम्स आउट टू बी, इट इज 213, 3 नंबरों के ऊपर बार है। तो इसके लिए करने का वे आउट क्या होगा? हम इसे ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 2 प्लस 0.3213। उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? हम विल अप्लाई द शॉर्टकट ओवर हेयर, इट इज 2 प्लस, इट इज प्लस 3213 माइनस 3 अपॉन जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार है उतने 9 आ जाएंगे, और जितने नंबरों के ऊपर बार नहीं है, मतलब 3 एक है जिसके ऊपर बार नहीं, उतने जीरोज आ जाएंगे। वी कैन सिंप्लीफाई इट एंड वी कैन गेट द रिजल्ट इन इजी वे। सो दिस इज one particular method of solving these types of questions. Now the next is next question है एक, it is related to your sum to infinity and sum to n terms of GP. The question is as denote the sum to infinity, as denote the sum to infinity and Sn denote sum to n terms, then it is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus it has been given as GP, given GP, and then they ask is at minus S1 is less than 1000. We have been given S minus Sn is less than 1000, less than 1 upon 1000, then n is equal to, A option, it is, this is 9, B option n is equal to 10, C option is n is equal to 11, and the D option is n is equal to 12. So these 4 option has been given out. तो इसको कैसे करेंगे? I'll just apply it over here. It is S. बेटा ये GP बन रही है तो S sum to infinity क्या आएगा? S will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus half. This comes out to be 2. Now I find out Sn. Sn, A is 1, same, R is 1 half, and number of terms are n. It is Sn 1 into 1 minus 1 by 2 the power n upon 1 minus 1 by 2. This is Sn is equal to 2 into 1 minus 2 the power n. Now I am going to substitute in this relation, that means S minus Sn less than 1 upon 1000. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? It is 2 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2 the power n minus 1, multiply करेंगे 2, it is 1 upon 1000. Now 2 minus 2 0 आ जाएगा, it is 2 the power n minus 1, reciprocal दोनों साइड कर लेंगे तो we got it, 2 the power n minus 1 is greater than 1000. I reach it over here. Now it is 2 the power n minus 1 is greater than 1000. That means greater than 1000 जो होता है, we know that 2 the power 10 is 1024, 2 the power 10. So that must be equal to, I'll say n minus 1. This is equal to 10. N minus 1 must be equal to 10. N is equal to 11. So the right option is, it is n is equal to 11. Question is simple, but it is related to sum to infinity and sum to n terms. कैसे करना है? Sum to infinity निकाला, sum to n terms निकाला, formula given relation में put कर दिया. We find out 2 the power 10 is 1024. Then 2 the power n minus 1 should be greater than 2 the power 10, n minus 1 greater than equal to 10, or I can say n is equal to 11. The right option is C part. The next topic is geometrical mean. The next topic is geometrical mean. It is geometrical mean. Geometrical mean means geometrical mean of two numbers a and b is square root of ab. Geometrical mean of two numbers a and b is square root of ab. Geometrical mean, this is I am talking about single geometrical mean. It is single geometrical mean of three numbers a b comma c is, क्या आएगा? a b c the power 1 by 3. Similarly, it is geometrical mean of four numbers a b c d is, it is a b c d the power 1 by 4. And I will say geometrical mean of n numbers, it is this is a1, a2, a3, an. This is equal to a1, a2, a3, an the whole power 1 over n. This is a single geometrical mean of the numbers. Now, the concept which uses in geometrical progression is, it is like this. An article, insert and geometrical means between A and B. Insert and geometrical mean between A and B. I write down number A, G1, G2, G3. It is Gn comma B. Now it is first term is A, the last term is B, and the number of terms I do write down. It is from G1 to Gn, the number of terms are n plus A plus B. The total number of terms becomes n plus 2. Now as we have done in geometry, say arithmetic means, same way से करेंगे. B is equal to A into R the power n plus 2 minus 1. This is B upon A is equal to R the power n plus 1, and R is equal to B upon A whole upon 1 upon n plus 1. This is our common ratio. Now we have to find out the geometrical mean G1. पहले हमने क्या निकालना? G1. Now G1 किसके इक्वल आएगा? Here we find out the geometrical G1 is a second term. Second term A equal to AR. That is equal to A into B upon A the power 1 upon n plus 1. Then it is G2. G2 क्या आएगा? It is a third term. So we do write down AR square. It is A B upon A the power. This comes out to be, this is 2 upon n plus 1. Then G3, this is equal to fourth term. I do write down AR cube. This is A B upon A the power n upon n plus 1. Then it is Gn. This is AR the power n, A into B upon A the power. This is, sorry, this should be 3 over here, and here should be n into n plus 1. Now this is G1, G2, G3, Gn. Now the concepts directly used in the question is, दो special points मैंने इसको better understanding के लिए बनाए हुए हैं, and those 2 points are, I give the heading, it is important points. These 2 points are specially only for geometrical means. First point is mth term of, I do write down, it is mth term of GP. Mth term of GP is AR m minus 1. Mth term of GP is AR m minus 1, and mth geometrical mean is, this is equal to AR the power m. Mth term of GP is AR m minus 1, and mth geometrical mean is AR the power m. Now the second term is, the second pointer, that is the nth it comes out to be the nth term of, see, अब मैं जो पॉइंट लिखवाने जा रहा हूं, जैसे हमने क्या किया था अर्थमेटिक मीन में, क्या किया था? सम ऑफ अर्थमेटिक मीन a1 plus a2 plus a3, it is an is equal to n times single arithmetic mean between n times single arithmetic mean between a and b. Now it comes out to be, it is, now here it is product of geometrical terms. Product of geometrical means, it is the nth root of, the point is the nth root of product of n geometrical means between A and B, between A and B is equal to single geometrical mean between A and B. A and B, like this was in for arithmetic mean. Geometrical mean के लिए क्या होगा? जैसे it is G1, G2, G3, it is Gn. So I have written is the nth root of product of n geometrical mean. Product of n geometrical mean, nth root means 1 over n. This is equal to single geometrical mean between a and b, that is equal to root of ab. This is one of the important point. Then the next thing it comes out to be the relation between arithmetic mean and geometrical mean. The relation basic mean is, see, I would like to tell you that out of these arithmetic mean is always greater than geometrical mean. अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. इस कंसेप्ट के ऊपर काफी क्वेश्चंस आते रहते हैं जो पता नहीं लगता कि अप्लाई कैसे होने. सम ऑफ दोज एग्जांपल्स आई विल टेक अप. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अप द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ अवर बुकलेट. दैट प्रॉब्लम इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. क्वेश्चन नंबर 54. Even arithmetic mean is greater than geometrical mean. We can take it like this way also. जैसे a plus b upon 2 is greater than root of ab. हम ये भी ले सकते हैं 3 नंबरों का geometrical arithmetic mean. This will be greater than abc the power 1 by 3. So it will be used it like this way. Now the question number 54 is, it has been given between 4 and 2916 and odd number and 2n plus 1. It has been given that odd number and 2n plus 1 geometrical means are inserted. 2n plus 1 geometrical means are inserted. Then n plus 1 gm. N plus 1 at gm is the 4 option we have been given out. It is 36. B option is 54. C option is 108 and the D option is 324. See, between 4 and 2916 and odd numbers of geometrical means are inserted. I do write down 4, G1, G2, G3. It is Gn and it is 2916. So between these two numbers and odd number, so यहाँ पे मैं change कर दूंगा. It will be equal to, this is G2n plus 1 comma, it is 2916. So 2n plus 1, so first term is what? 4. The last term is what? 2916. Now odd number hai, that odd number is 2n plus 1. So number of terms, I'll just take it, denoted by capital N. N is equal to 2n plus 3. Now we start doing it as we have done the article. It is L is equal to AR n minus 1. That is equal to 2916 is equal to 4 into R we don't know, N it is 2n plus 3 minus 1. 4 7 the, it is 4 2 the, and it comes out to be, it is 4 9 the, it is R the power 2n plus 2. Now clearly I just do write down over here. Proceed करना शुरू करता हूँ यहाँ पे. It is, I can write down 729. It can be written as 27 the whole square or R the power n plus 1. I can write down like this way. So I can say 27 is equal to R the power n plus 1. Now हमने निकालना क्या है, हम उसके accordingly workout करते हैं. We have to find out the n plus 1 at gm. That means मैंने अभी आपको point लिखवाया था, यदि mth gm ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन निकालना है, दैट मीन्स gm. हमने कैपिटल mth ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन निकालना है, दैट इज इक्वल टू AR दी m. हाँ, यदि हमने mth टर्म इन GP निकालनी है, दैट इज इक्वल टू AR m minus 1 and mth ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन इज AR m minus 1. It is gm is equal to AR m plus am. Suppose हमने निकालना हो, say it is 7th ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन, दैट इज इक्वल टू AR दी पावर 7. It is 10th geometrical mean, it is AR the power 10. Suppose 7 term निकालनी है, 7 term of GP that is equal to AR the 6. So दोनों में difference है जब हमने 7 term निकालनी है या 7 geometrical mean. Now we have to find out what? We have to find out G, it is Gn plus 1. Gn plus 1 का क्या मतलब आएगा? A into R the power n plus 1. A we have it, it is 4 and R the power n plus 1 it is 20 and 27. So n plus 1 gm is, it is 108. Then another question, See, another question of our booklet is, it is question number 15. Question number 15 of our booklet is, it is arithmetic mean of two positive numbers. Arithmetic mean of two positive numbers a and b, a greater than b, is twice their geometrical mean. Then a ratio b is a part 2 plus root 3 ratio 2 minus root 3. B option we have been given out 7 plus 4 ratio 3, 7 minus 4 ratio 3. C is 2 ratio 7 plus 4 root 3, and the D is 2 ratio 3. Now we start doing it like, कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे? हमें गिवन है अर्थमेटिक मीन ऑफ टू पॉजिटिव नंबर्स a and b is twice their geometrical mean. So two numbers are a and b. Say arithmetic mean is twice geometrical mean. That means a plus b by 2 is equal to 2 times root ab. Now the method is, it is a plus b by 2 root ab, that is equal to 2 upon 1. Applying C and D, componendo and dividendo. In short, we do write down C and D. It is a plus b plus 2 root ab upon a plus b minus 2 root ab, that is 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1. I got it, root a plus root b the whole square upon root a minus root b the whole square. This is 3 upon 1. Now taking square root, we got it what? It is root a plus root b upon root a minus root b. This is root 3 upon 1. Now again applying C and D. कैसे करेंगे? रूट ए प्लस रूट बी, सी एंड डी मतलब कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो, प्लस रूट ए माइनस रूट बी, रूट ए प्लस रूट बी माइनस रूट ए प्लस रूट बी. This is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. This term will be cancelled out, this term will be cancelled out. I am left with 2 root a upon 2 root b. This is root 3 plus 1 upon root 3 minus 1. 2 will be cancelled out. On squaring, we got it what? A upon b. 3 plus 1 plus 2 root 3. 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3. And we reach it over here. It is a upon b. That is equal to what? 2. 2 plus root 3. It is 2 common, 2 minus root 3. Our answer will be what? 2 plus root 3, 2 minus root 3. Once again, we just started. हमें क्या गिवन है? हमें गिवन है अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ट्वाइस द ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. तो मैंने अर्थमेटिक मीन 2 नंबर का, ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन 2 नंबरों का. द ओनली थिंग इज वी हैव टू टेक केयर है, यहाँ पे रूट ए भी यहाँ पे ले आता. यदि यहाँ पे 3 होता, 4 होता, 5 होता, इन एनी एवरी केस आई ब्रॉट ओनली रूट ए बी, क्योंकि लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे सी एंड डी लगाने से होल स्क्वायर तभी बनेगा. सो इट इज ए प्लस बी अपॉन 2 रेट ए बी. अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. I got it, root a plus root b the whole square, root a minus root b the whole square. Then taking square root, it is root a plus root b, root a minus root b, root 3 plus 1, root 3 minus 1. It is 2 से cancel out हो गया. It is a upon 1, a upon b. We got it what? This 2 will be cancelled out. I am left with, it is 2 plus root 3 upon 2 minus root 3. The right option is A part. So another problem based on this geometrical mean is, एक बड़ा यूनिक सा क्वेश्चन है. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. इट हैज कम इन वन ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ AIEEE. दैट क्वेश्चन इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ n positive numbers. The product of n positive numbers is 1, and then their sum is, then their sum is a positive integer, then their sum is a positive integer, that is a part equal to 1, b part equal to n plus n square, c part it is divisible by n, divisible by n, and d part is never less than n, never less than n. So the product of n positive numbers is 1 and their sum is a positive integer. So I take it, it is the numbers are, it comes out to be, it is the product of n positive numbers. N positive numbers, it is a1, a2. It comes out to be a1, a2, a3, an. The product of n positive numbers, I have taken these are positive numbers. ठीक है, then I just say we have been given product is 1, that means a1, a2, a3, an is equal to 1. इन सब का प्रोडक्ट क्या गिवन है 1. देयर सम क्या आएगा a1 प्लस a2 प्लस a3 अप टू an, वो हमने फाइंड आउट करना है. अब क्लियरली एकदम हमारे माइंड में सही करना चाहिए कि ये क्वेश्चन में जो रिलेशन यूज होगा दैट इज अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर देन ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन, बिकॉज here sum is also and product is also, so we applied arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of n numbers is, arithmetic mean of n numbers is greater than geometrical mean of n numbers. NOS मतलब numbers. That means arithmetic mean is a1 plus a2 plus an upon n. This is what it is, a1, a2, a3, it is an the whole power 1 over n. Now clearly the product of numbers we have been given is 1. a1 plus an over n is greater than 1. 1 the power n thing, it comes out to 1. So a1 plus a2 plus a3 up to an is greater than n. So the right answer is, this sum is never less than n, it will be always greater than n. Once again understand it, समझने की कोशिश करो. उन्होंने कहा था कोई भी पॉजिटिव नंबर लेने हैं, तो हमने ले लिया लेट दीज आर एन पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. प्रोडक्ट गिवन, सम निकालना है. द क्लियर रिलेशन बिटवीन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स एंड सम ऑफ नंबर्स इज arithmetic mean is greater than geometrical mean. I write down the arithmetic mean, geometrical mean, substitute the values of this product of numbers. I got it, a1 plus a2 up to an is greater than n. That means this sum is always greater than n. Then one next problem. One next problem for more understanding is, it is arithmetic mean. We have been given arithmetic mean between two numbers. Arithmetic mean between two numbers is a, and geometrical mean between numbers, between those numbers is g. Then numbers are, हमें पूछा गया नंबर कौन से होंगे. Then numbers are, a option it has been given a square minus g square plus minus a. B option we have been given 2 times a square minus g square plus minus a. Then it has been given C, it is a plus minus a square minus g square, and the D option is 2 times a plus minus a square minus g square. Now arithmetic mean between two numbers is, let two numbers are, again I suppose it, let two numbers are a and b. That means it is arithmetic mean a plus b by 2 is equal to a. I can write down a plus b is equal to a. And then geometrical mean between numbers, it is root ab is equal to g. I can write down ab is equal to g square. इट इज ए बी इज इक्वल टू जी स्क्वायर। नाउ अब हमने नंबर्स निकालने के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं बेटा, सी वी कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट द वैल्यूज, इट इज ओवर हेयर, इट इज, इनको आपस में रिलेट करना है तो क्या आ जाएगा, इट कम्स आउट टू बी ए, यहां से वैल्यू निकालेंगे, इट कम्स आउट टू बी ए इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी, बिकॉज नंबर्स हमने निकालने ए इज इक्वल टू ए माइनस बी, इट दिस विल बी ओवर हेयर, इसमें पुट करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा, a minus b into b, this is equal to g square, b square minus ba is plus g square is equal to 0. I simplify the things and take on the right hand side. I got it what now b, यहाँ पर कौन सा फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, यहाँ पर हम डिस्क्रिमिनेंट मेथड वाला फार्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे, माइनस बी प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a, दैट इज इट कम्स आउट टू बी a plus minus, it is a square minus, it comes out to be a square minus, this is 4g square, b square minus a square upon 2. See, since here we are getting some mistakes, so I just find out a mistake. I find out I have done a mistake over here. Here a plus b should be equal to 2a. a plus b किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए था, 2a. तो यहाँ पे a जो सा हो जाएगा, it will be 2a minus b. I am substituting this values over here, it becomes 2a minus b, and जो हमारी इक्वेशन बन जाएगी, it will be what, it is b square minus 2a, it is 2ba is equal to g square. So it will be a, the number b will be equal to a plus minus 4a square, and it will be 2a over here. I reaches over here, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा, b is equal to a plus minus a square minus g square, एंड आई फाइंड आउट, अब यदि हम ये वैल्यूज यहाँ पे वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे a की, b की ये वैल्यूज आ रही हैं, a की वैल्यूज क्या आएंगी, इट इज 2a माइनस a प्लस माइनस इट कम्स आउट टू बी a स्क्वायर माइनस g स्क्वायर, इट बिकम्स बेसिकली माइनस प्लस, a is equal to a, it comes out to be minus plus, I can say a square minus g square. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, यदि b पॉजिटिव है तो a नेगेटिव होगा, a नेगेटिव है तो b पॉजिटिव होगा. Ultimate the answer comes out to be it is C part. So numbers are a plus minus a square minus g square. कैसे करना कैसे है, we find out, we suppose two numbers are a and b. I find out arithmetic mean, I find out geometrical mean. यहाँ से a की वैल्यू in terms of b लेके I substitute in this relation. इस रिलेशन में मैंने क्वाड्रेटिक इन b बना लिया, क्वाड्रेटिक इन b बना लिया तो b की वैल्यू किसके इक्वल आ गई, it comes out to be 2a plus minus, this is plus minus, applying this 2a plus minus 4a square minus 4g square upon 2, or a and b are, they are like this way only, a is plus minus or minus plus a square minus g square. So next problem of our booklet is, the next question of our booklet is, it is, we come to question number 48. It is one of the similar sum, we have done it I think just two questions before, that is question number 48, arithmetic mean and geometrical mean between two numbers. Arithmetic mean between and geometrical mean between two numbers are in ratio m ratio n. This is m and this is n. I do write down again, it is m ratio n. Then numbers are in ratio. Then numbers are in ratio. We have been given the four options. It is a, m plus n square minus m square. It is m minus n square minus m square. B part, it comes out to be m plus m square minus n square, m minus m square minus n square. Little difference over here. C is, it is m, it comes out to be m plus m square plus n square, and ratio m minus m square plus n square. And D is none of these. See, सी देयर इज लिटिल डिफरेंस इन द आंसर. सो हम कोई छोटी सी ही मिस्टेक करेंगे, वी फाइंड आउट दैट आंसर विल बी देयर. सो वी कांट मेक even a silly mistake, a small silly mistake over there. Arithmetic mean and geometrical mean between two numbers are in the ratio m ratio n. It comes out to be, it is, say I'll just take it, two numbers, let two numbers are, like जैसे पिछले क्वेश्चनों में किए हैं a comma b, sum. Arithmetic mean, it is a plus b by 2. It is, I can write down arithmetic mean ratio geometrical mean. Arithmetic mean ratio geometrical mean is equal to m ratio n. A plus b upon 2 upon root of ab, that is equal to m upon n. यहाँ पे वही लेफ्ट हैंड साइड बन गई जो हमने लास्ट दो क्वेश्चन पहले किया था. उसके बाद क्या बन जाएगा, अप्लाइंग कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. अप्लाइंग कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो, I got it a plus b plus 2 root ab. A plus b minus 2 root ab, that is equal to m plus n over m minus n. It will become root a plus root b the whole square upon, it will become root a minus root b the whole square, that is equal to m plus n m minus n. अब हम क्या अप्लाई करेंगे, टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट. टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट, आई गॉट इट रूट a plus root b upon root a minus root b, that is equal to square root of m plus n upon square root of m minus n. अब क्या अप्लाई करेंगे, अप्लाई कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. अगेन अप्लाइंग कॉम्पोनेंटो एंड डिविडेंडो. सिमिलर स्टेप्स है, इट इज रूट ए प्लस रूट बी प्लस रूट ए माइनस रूट बी, रूट ए प्लस रूट बी माइनस रूट ए प्लस रूट बी, that is equal to m plus n plus square root of m minus n. It is square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n. This will be cancelled out, this will be cancelled out. Now we are left with what, root a plus root a, it is 2 root a, 2 root b, that is equal to 2 will be cancelled out, it is m plus n minus n upon, it comes out to be m plus n minus of m minus n. नाउ क्या करेंगे, वी रीचेज ओवर हेयर, इट इज ऑन स्क्वेयरिंग. यहां पे आई एम जस्ट कमिंग ओवर हेयर, इट इज ऑन स्क्वेयरिंग. ऑन स्क्वेयरिंग क्या आ जाएगा, इट इज a अपॉन b इज इक्वल टू, दिस बिकम्स m प्लस m माइनस n प्लस 2 टाइम m स्क्वेयर माइनस n स्क्वेयर अपॉन, आई गॉट इट m प्लस n माइनस प्लस m माइनस n. This is minus 2 m square minus n square. I got it. It is n will be cancelled out, n will be cancelled out. This is 2 will be cancelled out. M plus m square minus n square, m minus m square minus n square. This reaches over here. So the right option is, it is a B part. Similar one है, arithmetic mean is twice the geometrical mean. Applying similar way out in 2 questions before we have applied over here. Now दोबारा यहाँ पर C and D apply करेंगे. We got it A and B, just squaring it. We got the right option as B1. Next problem of our booklet is, this was the question number 48. Now we are doing it. This is question number. It is question number 19th. Again a good question. Now question number 19 is, it has been given x, y, z are positive quantity, it has been given greater than 0. Then we have been given x plus y plus z is greater than 1. Then they have asked x, y, z upon. This is 1 minus x, it is 1 minus y, it is 1 minus z. It is necessarily A option is greater than equal to 8, B option is less than equal to 1 over 8, C option is less than 1 over 8, and the D option is none of these. So we know that if it numbers will be equal, say arithmetic mean. अब यहाँ पर जो प्रॉपर्टी अप्लाई होनी है दैट इज अर्थमेटिक मीन ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल टू ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. इट इज अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल टू ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. अगेन पहली बात, इन क्वेश्चनों को देख के बिल्कुल आइडिया नहीं होता कि इन क्वेश्चनों का प्रोसीड कैसे करना है. वी हैव टू रियली थिंक कि इनको कैसे करना है. वी हैव गिवन द थ्री नंबर्स x प्लस वाई प्लस जेड. यहाँ पर हमें क्या गिवन है, यहाँ पर हमें सम ऑफ नंबर्स भी गिवन है एंड यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है, वी हैव बीन गिवन द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर्स. तो इसको कैसे प्रोसीड कर रहे हैं, सी आई टेक इट टू नंबर्स का पेयर लेता हूं बिकॉज आई वांटेड 1 माइनस एक्स 1 माइनस वाई 1 माइनस जेड. सो आई जस्ट स्टार्ट इट. अर्थमेटिक मीन इज ग्रेटर एंड इक्वल टू ज्योमेट्रिकल मीन. आई टेक इट, पहले मैं लेता हूं नंबर y प्लस जेड. y प्लस जेड इज ग्रेटर एंड इट इज रूट ऑफ वाई जेड. then I take it x plus z over 2 that is equal to what, root of xz. then it is, I just take it x plus y upon 2 that is greater than what, root of xy. अब क्या करेंगे, say I know that y plus z is will be equal to 1 minus x, इसलिए I have started to like this way. अब क्या करूंगा, it is multiplying 1 2 and 3. it is multiplying 1 2 and 3 that is equal to y plus z upon 2. this is x plus z upon 2. it is x plus y upon 2 that is greater than, it comes out to be, it is multiply करेंगे स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर, we got it x square y square z square. now we know that y plus z की वैल्यू क्या आ रही है, it is, this has been given, this is, sorry I make a little mistake over here in the question. जो एक्चुअल में क्वेश्चन है that is x plus y z is equal to 1. it is not greater than 1, it is equal to 1. y plus z is 1 minus x, x plus z is 1 minus y, and then we find out it is x plus y. this is 1 minus z. so I reaches over here, from here I come over here. क्या आ जाएगा हमारा, y plus z की जगह क्या पुट करेंगे, 1 minus x 1 minus y 1 minus z. that is upon, it comes out to be 8 is greater than x square x y z. ये टर्म इसके नीचे चली जाएगी, इट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, ये टर्म इसके नीचे चली जाएगी, इट बिकम्स 1 over 8 इज लेस देन, इट इज एक्स वाई जेड अपॉन 1 minus x 1 minus y 1 minus z. so the right option we got it, it is B, it comes out less than equal to 1 over 8. see since we have been taken it like this way, क्या करेंगे कंसेप्ट, once again I am going to start it. see arithmetic mean is greater and equal to geometrical mean. it is y plus z is greater than, y plus z by 2 is greater than this one. then take another pair, then take it another pair. उसके बाद क्या करेंगे, multiplying this all together, this will be always positive, this will term will be greater than this one. then y plus z की जगह 1 minus x, x plus z की जगह 1 minus y, x plus y की जगह 1 minus z. I have taken it from this relation, इस रिलेशन से मैंने लिया. नाउ ये रिजल्ट, ये हमारा एक्सप्रेशन क्या बन जाएगा, इट बिकम्स 1 minus x 1 minus y 1 minus z. this term will come out here, this term is less than equal to 1 over 8. so the right option is, it is B part.